Tsunamis are one of the most destructive geohazards, but mangroves act as living shields, slowing waves, protecting coasts, and saving lives. Mangroves are coastal forests found in more than 120 countries. Their roots anchor the shoreline, protect communities, and create nurseries for thousands of fish species. They even act as natural seawalls against storms and rising seas. But in the last 50 years, we've lost over 1/3 of the world's mangroves. Many were cleared for shrimp farms and coastal development. Without them, waves hit harder, land disappears, and fish populations collapse.
Around the world, people are taking action. From Asia to Africa, communities are restoring mangroves. Indonesia alone has replanted over 600,000 hectares, reviving marine life and protecting coasts. Restoration isn't just about planting trees, it's about planting the right species in the right places with local communities leading. That's how mangroves grow strong for generations.
It was a full forest. You were even scared to go by yourself.
Ali Mohammed is a community leader and part of the ongoing mangrove restoration project. He tells us logging of the mangroves over the years had a severe impact. Mangrove wood is hardy, good for building homes and burning firewood.
We saw the degradation and the food scarcity. We could not get fish, we could not get prawns. We decided to start to restore it again.
55,000 mangrove trees were planted here in July, we're told. And on
biến đổi khí hậu, thiên nhiệt miệng biên hoặc là thiên tai bạo lũ nhiều thì người ta rất là thương xót cho những cái tỉnh miền Trung, trong đó có Huế. Ở đó bà con đồng tình rất là cao và cùng với địa phương và sở để tham gia là hoàn thành cái dự án. Kết quả dự án thực hiện cho đến nay là trồng mới 22 hectare rừng ngập mặn.
In Vietnam, mangroves help protect villages from big waves and tsunamis. In Kenya, more mangroves meant more fish, almost 50% more. When mangroves grow back, nature and people are safer.
Mangroves also fight climate change. They capture up to 4 times more carbon than tropical rainforests, locking it safely underground. Not every project succeeds. Some fail because of the wrong species were planted or funding ended too soon. The lesson is clear. Mangrove restoration needs patience, planning, and strong partnerships. When mangroves thrive, people thrive. Fishermen earn more, children learn in nature's classroom. Tourists arrive, boosting local economies. Families live safer, even when storms strike.
Mangroves fight climate change by storing carbon, protect marine life as underwater nurseries, and safeguard coasts and land ecosystems. Restoring mangroves is more than an environmental act. It's a mission to protect our coasts, strengthen our communities, and fight climate change. One tree at a time, one shoreline at a time, we can revive nature's shield and secure our future.